In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to change Telegram app icon. Changing the Telegram app icon offers a simple yet effective way to personalize your device, reflecting your style or mood. To do this, simply head to Telegram. On your settings page, scroll down onto the option of Appearance. You will then navigate onto the last section of App Icon. Select any icon of your own choice. Tap on OK, and the app icon will get changed successfully. To unlock other icons, you must have subscribed to the premium version. This refreshes the look of your device, making the user experience more visually appealing. That's how easy it is to change your Telegram app icon. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.